Dear students, welcome to our science class. Last 2 weeks you had a half-yearly examination. I hope all subjects you attended well. Today onwards, we can concentrate on our online classes. Today we can start a new lesson, Safety Rules. Chapter 6, Safety Rules. Life is very important for all living things, isn't it? Life is very important for all living things. So everyone wants a safe and protected life. But an accident can happen anytime and anywhere. The rules which help us to avoid accidents are called as safety rules. What is safety rule? The rules which help us to avoid accidents are called safety rules. You must follow safety rules at home, in school, and on the road. That first one is safety at home. First one is never play with sharp objects like knives, blades, scissors, etc. Second one, never play with fire. Third point, never play with the plug point. Next one, never touch switches with a wet hand. Never leave your things here and there. Keep them in their proper place. The next point, never take medicine on your own. The last point, never play on rooftop or terrace. These safety rules must be followed at home. This is a note for your exam. So these rules we must follow in our day-to-day life. So first one, never play with the sharp objects like knives, blades, scissors, etc. Never play with the fire. Never play with the plug points. Never touch switches with wet hands. Never leave your things here and there. Keep them in their proper places. Never take medicine on your own. Never play on rooftop or terrace. If we follow these rules, we can avoid accidents at home. The next one, safety at school. First one, do not run up or down the staircase. Take only one step at a time. Do not push or pull anybody. Next one, do not throw paper or other objects on the floor. Third point, do not run or play in the classroom. Next one, do not throw paper plane, pens, pencil, etc. at one another. Do not push while entering or leaving the classroom. Do not play games roughly. These safety rules must be followed at a school. First one, do not run up or down the staircase. Do not throw paper or other objects on the floor. Do not run or play in the classroom. Do not throw paper or paper, plane, paint, pens, pencil, etc. at one another. Do not play games roughly. Do not push while entering or leaving the classroom. If we follow these rules, we can avoid accidents at the school. The next one is safety on the road. First one, always cross the road at the zebra crossing. First one, it is very important. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Second one, walk on footpath if available. Third point, do not run on the roads. Always keep left while cycling. Never put head or arm out of a moving vehicle. And last point, always keep right while walking on the road. If we follow this rule, we can avoid accident. Oh, the first point, yes, safety on the road. First one, walk on footpath if available. Second point, do not run on roads. Third one, always keep left while cycling. Fourth point, never put head or arm out of a moving vehicle. And the last point, always keep right while walking on the road. Thank you.